Okay, today's gonna be a little bit different because we have this bad boy in the garage. Look at this thing. The taco is back. You guys missed it. The beautiful orange taco, I gotta say, absolutely, I mean, it's back. It's back. It's back from its duty. It's a little bit worked on, obviously, because it's a work truck. But still, nevertheless, it is a beautiful taco. It's in the garage. I have that box right there for the taco. So without further ado, let's check it out. Let's see what this is all about. Hey guys, Gonna here making more videos again. And today, guys, we have the 2017 Tacoma in the garage right here. We have a box full of floor mats for this bad boy, you know, some awesome rugged floor mats. We have also this garage light right here, something you guys have been asking for a while. So without further ado, let's get to it. One question I definitely get asked all the time about my garage is, how do I keep it well lit like this? How is it so bright in here? And especially at night when I have my garage closed and stuff, how do I have it so bright in here? First of all, I gotta say it's the white walls that do a lot of the magic, okay? These white walls, I mean, when I got this house, I painted this, you know, straight up white because I knew white was gonna be like a beautiful color, very bright color, and it would be awesome for videos and stuff like that. So I love it bright in the garage anyways, because when you're working on your vehicles, you know, Tesla factory, they use white. It's just beautiful, you know what I mean? Just a nice color. So with that white, on top of that, I have this really high powered LED light right here. It's super high powered. I'm gonna leave that link in the description below as well. Very beautiful LED, like corn LED, that's what they call it. Let me turn it off so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It kind of, you see how it gets darker in here, but the camera is gonna adjust most likely. But yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful LED, like huge, definitely a huge LED. I'll leave the link in the description below. Let's turn that bad boy on. There we go. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below for that guy. It's a beautiful LED. And then the second of all, the thing that just adds a little bit more like filler light in the garage is definitely that guy right there, the LED shop light, okay? And I have another one here because eventually what I'm thinking I want to do with this garage is, you know, I want to have the sound bar right there. I want to put multiple LED shop lights right here that I have up there. I want to have them multiple in this garage, like at least 6 of them or something like that, or at least 4 of them, I don't know. But obviously I don't want to buy all of them at once. I want to test them out. I want to see how it looks. Even maybe I might not even need 4. I might just need 2, or maybe 2 might be too much. I don't know, we'll see. So I got another one right here. Let's just open it up. I want to see what it looks like. Whew, today is a particularly hot day. I am so glad that, you know, I'm playing basketball after this, and I'm so glad that we're gonna be playing indoor basketball at the gym. You know what I mean? I don't want to play outside. They're LED shop lights. A lot of people were asking me like, hey, are these like tube lights with the gas in it? And I'm like, no, I don't like anything that's not LED. Everything in my house, everything is all LEDs. Even my outside lighting, everything like that is all LEDs because I just like the cleaner lighting. Yeah, these are some huge unboxings today. Oh, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different from the one I have up there. Oh, pretty interesting shop light, I gotta say. Oh my gosh. Here's the literal right here, really nice. It's a huge shop light. Now, it's not as big as the one up there. It does produce some bright light. I like the slim factor of this. I'm actually surprised it's actually as slim as it is. I saw it was gonna be slimmer than that, but this is really, really thin. And I like that. I don't want it huge, you know what I mean? I don't want huge shop lights. I want the smallest amount of space taken, but the brightest amount of light. It has a little thing like this to turn it off and on. Nothing else in the box itself. Let's put this down to the side. Throw this away too. And this, whoa, very interesting. It comes with gloves so you can, you know, while you're working on the drywall and stuff, you can have gloves on. Comes with the power cord right here, as well as all the chain and everything required to actually hook it up. Let's plug this bad boy in. All right, first test, it's already plugged in. Let's see how bright it is. Ooh, whoa, look at that. Oh man, okay, I'm glad I have my sunglasses on. It's so bright that it's like dark. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So this goes to saying, guys, you don't actually need like some huge tube lights or something like that to get this high power LEDs. Look at that, actually so bright that's making my face all dark and stuff, messing with the actual exposure. It's really interesting. All right, I like this. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. Definitely check it out if you want your shop, your workshop, your garage, your shed, whatever you want to be super bright. Like my place is always super bright. It's so bright. I'll leave the links in the description below. Let's go actually check out the floor mats. Look at me, I look like a scary movie or something. Okay, here's the actual Tacoma box for the floor mat. I absolutely love the ones for the same company that, you know, I put on the Honda Accord. Absolutely love it. In my other video, I made that, and you know, I decided, you know what, why don't you all get it from these guys, because, you know, they're a lot cheaper from everywhere else, but they're still the super weather-proof mat, you know what I mean? Great for snow, dirt, gravel, whatever, and it's great for vacuuming as well. There we go. Yeah. So much tape on here. I open packages so much that before it used to be like opening packages on Christmas morning, but now it's just opening packages, you know. Just it doesn't feel the same, you know what I mean? It's lost its magic to me. Let's take all this stuff out of here, all this foam. When you don't have your box cutter outside, keys will definitely cut. I actually do have my box cutter out here. I don't know. Alrighty, let's take out these. Oh man, yes. This is the, hang on. Okay, let me pull out the literature out of here. Some floor mats manual, floor mats. So let's just put this back in the box. All right, let's take a look at the actual floor mats here. And man, oh man, look at these things, guys. Like, absolutely love these Oedro floor mats. Like, beautiful. The feel just feels so amazing. I wish you were here. This feels very just like high quality rubber plastic mesh material. It's really nice. They got 2 screws to hold the little plating down right here. It just looks like a high quality beautiful product. But the thing though is that it fits perfectly. Okay, I've got floor mats before that were lower price. You know, they were like these weatherproof floor mats. They were lower price, but they did not fit well in the vehicle. So, you know, I need to get something that's better, higher quality, aka this guy right here. So here's one of the floor mats. Here's another one right here. These are for the drivers, you know what I mean? Now for the back, here's the one for the back. Let me take it out of the plastic covering. Look at this. I trust these guys. So let's put it in the taco. Let's see if it actually fits really well, because on the Honda Accord it fit perfectly. I want to make sure it fits perfectly on this. Let's go check it out. Let's see how it fits. All right, guys, to say the least, I am very impressed at how the fitting came. Let's go check it out. Here we go. Look at that. Sorry for all the mess right here, but this is a work truck. But look at that. This will be awesome for using on a work truck, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at the fitment right there. Just fits perfectly. Has all the grooves cut out properly. Looks like a rugged floor mat that you can just put your feet on. Dirt, snow, whatever, and have it cleaned off if need be, without having carpet, you know, soak in all that stuff. Absolutely beautiful on right here. You can see it right here. I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving it. Let me go to the driver's side real quick. See, here are the old taco mats that actually came in the truck, and since this is a work truck, this gets dirty so fast. These are actually clean compared to how dirty they actually get, and that's why I think these are going to be awesome for this truck. Here's the driver's side right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this fits in really well with these you know, bolts right here. Perfect fitting. Let me bring this back. As you can see, perfect fitment on these anchors, basically. Really nice, these 2 anchors right here, and it just fits really well with the curvature of the front seat as well. I trusted it, and it actually works out really well. And then now for the finale, the back seat, guys. I actually like it better than the old ones right here. These are these, you know, small old ones right here. I like it better because these are 2 separate pieces for the back, but for this one is 1 piece, which makes it actually better in my opinion. Here they are. They fit absolutely perfectly on here. And then on top of that, I love this, how it fits perfectly on this guy right here as well, guys. Look at that. It just, you know, goes on, contours really well. And then on top of that, this part right here, the actual carpeting on the bottom gets super dirty. But because of this, now this is protected as well. And I don't have to worry about cleaning this carpet part right here. I just have to clean this one entire piece. If I need to take it off and wash it, bammo, just take this whole entire thing off and wash it. Beautiful. I love this, guys. And it goes to the other side as well. Perfect fitment. You see these corners and grooves and stuff. It fits perfectly on them. You can see it on this side as well. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Loving it, and it feels awesome. Cannot wait to actually, you know, get dirt on here and stuff, because this is a work truck. Very rugged. So we know this is a work truck, guys, but make sure you realize it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be on a work truck, okay? It can be also on your normal car, on your normal vehicle and stuff. You just won't have to worry about cleaning it as much, because it's not gonna get soaked into the carpet and, you know, change the color of the carpet and stuff. That's why I love these things. It don't have to be on a work truck. I use it on a Honda Accord. It's not even a work Honda Accord, you know what I mean? But definitely for a work truck like this, it comes in very handy, I promise you. So I cannot wait to actually use those. I'm already loving them, and I know you will love it. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase these two LED lighting, the new LED lighting that I got, and also the floor mats are gonna be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. If you want your garage to be lit up like this, make sure you also paint your walls white. That's very, very important. And then it will get really bright. But if you don't paint your walls white, I mean, even something as small as that corn LED right there will make a insane difference, guys. And then obviously the floor mats, beautiful. With that being said, guys, there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click up for more videos in the future. And that, guys, keep just share saying thanks for watching and peace.